Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering exact materials because a clean build prevents weak spots. Lay out a thin glove or jersey, 0. 5-inch elastic cord, scissors, needle, and strong thread. Measure and mark in centimeters. Cut the palm open along seams, then trim excess fabric so you have a flat panel to work with. Once done, pin the cuff aside, you'll use it for the wrist. Make sure to keep symmetry between left and right. This sets your fit and durability. Now you weave the netting onto the prepared panel. This is the detailed middle work where tension matters. Mark grid points at 1 to 1.5 centimeters and make tiny anchor holes, then thread your cord in an over-under pattern, keeping even tension so the mesh holds shape. Once intersections align, secure them with tight knots or small whip stitches. This prevents stretch. As you proceed, adjust the weave angle to about 45 degrees for flexibility, and trim excess cord as you go. To finish, fold the glove edge over the cuff and sew 2 to 3 solid rows, leaving a channel to insert elastic for a snug wrist. Stitch the thumb area with extra passes and add small fabric patches at fingertips to reinforce wear points. Give the glove a full range of motion test, making sure the mesh flexes without bunching. If something goes wrong, tighten any loose mesh junctions, replace a broken cord segment, and retest. This one corrective step fixes most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.